Introducing a G Training Management System, TMS. Automated training workflow, centralized training data management, comply with regulatory standard and real-time insights. Your dashboard puts everything at your fingertips. Course details, training schedules, employee development records, and even recent planning lists. Experience a consistent view for everyone. From super admin to trainer and staff. Your dashboard is intuitive and user-friendly. No matter your role. Assigning roles just got easy. Super admin, business unit admin, trainer and staff. Select with confidence. Effortlessly grant access. Whether it's a business unit admin or individual staff, each role is precisely tailored with their specific permissions. Create, manage, and deploy training courses in minutes. Tailored to role, regulation, and risk. Manage trainers' assignment, certifications, and availability, so the right person delivers the right knowledge. Align training plans with business goals. Map certification gaps. Plan future learning paths. And optimize course delivery. Monitor individual training history with full transparency, from onboarding to upskilling. Simply search and filter by course category, type, department, or date to find exactly what you're looking for. Maintain audit-ready records with enterprise-wide visibility at your fingertips. Trainers KPI, training record, and report statistics. Celebrate milestones with secure e-certificates. Instantly issued. Digitally stored. Always verifiable. Empower yourself with access from any device. Work on your desktop. Stay productive on your tablet. Or manage on your mobile seamlessly. From the office or wherever you are. Get a complete picture at a glance. Training management processes from 14 days to just 10 seconds. 99.8% training efficiency improvement. Scalable, seamless, smart. Book a demo now.